Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, on tonight's menu we've got a lovely deep fried crispy chicken served up with the most delicious chili and lime sauce. Please sit back and enjoy this recipe and try it for yourself. We're going to need some runny honey and some sweet chili sauce, and I like to put a bit of this in. It's a dark soy sauce, and then of course we're going to need some lime juice. I've got one lime here, but I might need a bit more. I'm going to start with a dredge. I don't know if you should call it a dredge, that doesn't sound very nice, does it? Anyway, I've got some all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to season this with some sea salt and some black pepper, plenty of black pepper, give it loads of flavour, and I'm going to add some cornstarch or corn flour, whichever you want to call it. Don't know really. Anyway, 2 tablespoons, and then give this a really good mix. Now guys, I mean a good mix, don't miss any. Now in a separate bowl we can put runny honey, and it runs lovely, and a sweet chili sauce. Now you can adjust these quantities and play around with them to suit yourself. We're all different, aren't we? And there's our soy sauce, I love that stuff. And of course our lime juice. I've got half a lime here. I might add a bit more, I'm not sure. Give this a really good mix together, and I've decided to add a little bit of this stuff. White wine vinegar. I think it will give my sauce just a little bit more sharpness. So now we have to give it another stir. And that's ready. Put that to one side, and then we can put our chicken pieces into our flour. Now I'm just going to do these a few at a time. I like to call it a little batch. Just a few, don't overdo it, plenty of time. Shake off the excess flour, and then it's off to the hot oil. In they go. I'm cooking about 4 at a time, you can cook more, and then you end up with this. Now doesn't that look delicious? You've got that dipping sauce on the side, and it's so tasty. And some extra limes in case you want to squirt a little bit more juice over the top. Now I'm thinking it's about time for my taste test, because that sure is looking good. Well, that really is delicious. That lovely crispy chicken and that lovely dipping sauce that go together so well. I might even say finger licking good. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Please try this recipe for yourself, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time for the next video. Bye for now.